Hello, welcome to my little sanctuary. Living alone doesn't mean being lonely. It means having the space to truly be yourself. My home is my peaceful retreat, filled with comfort and those quiet moments that I've grown to cherish. I love keeping things healthy and fresh. My kitchen is always stocked with nature's best ingredients. With my loyal companions by my side and a window to the world through my laptop, every day feels complete. It's all about finding balance and enjoying the simple, beautiful things in life. Thanks for stopping by.
All right, time for our walk, buddy. Let's go. This is so good. You're enjoying this too, aren't you? hmm hmm Since I started being serious with my diet and exercise, most of my joint pain and fatigue have gradually disappeared.